In this video, I'd like to demonstrate the new behavior of how we update items that we find in catalogs. Specifically, we are going to no longer be creating duplicate items when you expect us to update an existing item that is already in the catalog. So I want to demonstrate this with a use case here based around this company that I have that creates plastic containers. So at my company, I've been using Google Drive to keep track of my bills of material and my item master. And here's an item master for the products that I create. It's got part number, description, and other things in it, cost, the container size, etc., and the part numbers. So I'm moving to OpenBOM, and I want to start creating models for these things in Solidworks. The first thing I want to do is get all my parts into OpenBOM. So let's go to OpenBOM, and let's click Create right here. We're going to say Import Catalog. Import a catalog from Google Sheets. I'm going to choose my container item list. And I know that my part number is on row 9. I'm going to import it. So OpenBOM will create a catalog for me that has all my part numbers and all the information that came in straight out of my Google spreadsheet. That's great. So now I want to start improving my bills of material with images and information from my CAD system. So I've opened up my CAD design now for my containers, and I'm going to visit each one of these cases and say, okay, look for the base in this particular size. The part number for that guy is CC 1000. This is the CC 1000 part. Never had a CAD model for it before. I would just run my bills of material right out of Google Drive. All right. So I've given this a part number. Now that part number, keep in mind that part number already exists over there. And let's go do the same thing for the top. Let's open up the lid. So okay, the part number for this lid is going to be CC-1001. You can see that back here. Okay, so I've given my new designs the part numbers that came right out of my catalogs. Go back to the top. Save that. And then finally, in my OpenBOM settings, I want to make sure that I'm using my new catalog container item master. All right, and we're certain that no bill of material exists for this yet. I haven't built a bill of material for it yet. No BOM exists. So let's build a BOM. Okay, so OpenBOM gives me a message, tell me what's going to happen here. And we build the bill of material. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Well, it's just as we expected. Here's our bill of material with images and all. Now let's go back and take a look at our catalog, our container item master catalog. I'll refresh my browser and we'll see that we did save in, we updated those items with information from my CAD system. Well, that's pretty cool. It looks like, however, that we may want to do a little adjustment on some of the properties that we have. Maybe fill in descriptions and do some other things. But prior to this release, you may have gotten a duplicate here. But with this release now, we will now update items that are in existing catalogs. So I hope you found that useful.